Bakuchiol is a natural, gentle, and vegan ingredient that is going to change the skincare world. And if you've researched how to treat fine lines, breakouts, or dark spots, you've probably heard of that buzzword called retinol. Well, think of Bakuchiol as retinol's gentler sister. And if you stay tuned till the end, you'll know exactly how Bakuchiol will work, why it may be better than retinol, and how you can start using it today to really enhance your skincare. Also stay tuned till the end as I'll reveal to you guys what my favorite Bakuchiol product is. Roll the intro. Hi guys, it's Arsenal, media pharmacist here on YouTube. On this channel, I help you guys make better and more informed decisions about your health and wellness, particularly when it comes to skincare, a topic I've been getting a lot of questions about. And it would mean the world to me if you click that like button below down there so YouTube could show this video to more people so we can help reach everyone. And if you like this kind of content, click that subscribe button to stay updated with new weekly videos. Now let's get straight into it. Bakuchiol is a phytochemical that is extracted and purified from the seeds of the Psoralea corylifolian plant, aka the babchi plant. A plant used in traditional ayurvedic medicine, has been shown to have antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, as well as antibacterial properties. Further than this, Bakuchiol got more attention when studies have shown that it helps prevent fine lines and wrinkles and helps with pigmentation, elasticity, and firmness. But you might wonder, doesn't retinol do all that too? Why not just stick with that? The fact of the matter is that retinol, being an amazing product, it's just not for everyone. I get that topical retinol is probably the best studied ingredient we have on the market to help stimulate collagen, strengthen the skin foundation, and minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, but it is very tricky, especially if you have sensitive skin. Retinol is known to cause a lot of issues with dry or sensitive skin. You get severe redness, flakiness, and irritation, and your only solution was to really overdo it on the moisturizer, but now Bakuchiol might be a great alternative if you fit into this category. Why exactly? Because remember, Bakuchiol is less irritating since it doesn't actually cause atrophy to the skin or reduce the size of the oil glands, which means it does not lead to dryness or irritation. It does, however, still help to target fine lines, wrinkles, and also evens out the skin tone and texture of the skin. In this way, you can say that it is very similar to topical vitamin A derivatives or retinoids. Even on a molecular level, you get retinol functionality through retinol-like regulation of gene expression, but you don't need to worry about all that. Bottom line, you get all the benefits without the retinol side effects. So does that mean I stop retinol altogether and switch over? I need to get rid of these fine lines, but not at the expense of all this irritation. Here's my take on it. Don't give up on retinol just yet, because while Bakuchiol may provide similar results to over-the-counter retinol products, the same can't be said for the prescription strength versions, the retinoids. Prescription retinoids like tretinoin are 20 times more potent than over-the-counter retinol, which is what Bakuchiol was compared to in some studies. So I would only recommend Bakuchiol for those who can't tolerate retinol alone or as a starter ingredient before you jump into the world of retinoids, which are proven to be more effective. And another reason that stood out to me with this ingredient, making it a great solution, is the fact that it's considered safe and effective for most skin types. But with that said, it's important to remember that a product's formulation matters too. Even though it's non-irritating, it may be formulated with other actives that may cause some form of irritation depending on your skin type. So definitely watch for what it's mixed in before you apply it to the skin. If you're worried about a potential reaction, go ahead and do a spot test first to see how your skin reacts before you use it. Now that we got some background details out of the way and we know what it is and how it works, let's take a look at how to actually incorporate it and use it in our skincare routine. So pretty much like other retinol products, you can use Bakuchiol topically either as a serum or a moisturizer. And you don't need to worry about increased sun sensitivity when using it, which means you can go ahead and use it in both your morning and nighttime skincare routines. Use it in the morning before a moisturizer and at night before any serums. A good rule of thumb is you should apply your products in order of thinnest to thickest. So if your Bakuchiol product is a lightweight serum, it should be applied before your moisturizer. If using Bakuchiol in the morning, follow it up with a broad spectrum SPF 30 or greater. Look for concentrations of 0.5 to 2.5% Bakuchiol, and you should be able to see visible improvements in your skin's elasticity, fine lines and wrinkles, and overall tone and texture within 12 weeks. And once you've adjusted to using it, you can upgrade to an actual retinol product to see if your skin is able to tolerate it. But if you have rosacea or eczema, stick with the Bakuchiol instead. And you may already know that retinol usually has a bad reputation with not pairing well with other ingredients. It's not like that with Bakuchiol. You can safely use it with niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, and yes, even retinol, as it may have a stabilizing effect with retinol if your skin cooperates with it well. And what I mean by that is that it may help stabilize it and keep it effective for longer. And Bakuchiol's calming ability may enable the skin to tolerate retinol in higher amounts too, but more research is needed on this. The only thing I would not pair it with is glycolic acid, as this could degrade the formulation. So now let's get into what you all been waiting for. What product do I recommend? And although I'm not sponsored by them or paid to promote them, I really do think that Burt's Bees Renewal Firming Face Cream Moisturizer is a game changer. It's combined with naturally hydrating vitamin E, which works in harmony with the Bakuchiol to improve the texture of aging skin while evening out the skin tone and reducing skin dullness. It instantly hydrates and improves your skin's natural moisture barrier, so highly recommend this product. And of course, if your skin is okay with retinol, go ahead and try Paula's Choice Clinical 0.3% retinol plus the 2% Bakuchiol. There are proven results with this product. Based on the consumer panel, 94% agreed it visibly improved elasticity and 90% agreed it improved skin texture. They have a formulation that makes the power of retinol and Bakuchiol blend in almost perfectly to bring desired results. So definitely can't go wrong with these two products. And you can pick them up down below from the description box. So definitely click down below to grab yours today. Also comment down below if you have any questions. But all in all, guys, I hope that this video gave you guys some deeper insight on Bakuchiol and was able to help guide you in the right direction, hopefully. Let me know what your thoughts are. Also, if you did enjoy this video, give it a like, consider subscribing and sharing this video. And until then, I'll see you guys on the next one.